Let's have a look at our backend, which is developed using Node.js. We have used Express module to create APIs and Express generator to create a structured app. Our database, which is MongoDB, is hosted at MLabs. Let's go through files one by one. App starts with a script which is written in package.json, which is node mon. Node mon is a node module which restarts the app every time something is changed. So it makes our deployment easy. And server starts with the www file. Here it listens at port 3000, and if any other port is given through environmental variable, then it uses that. And then the app goes to app.js, where it connects with database, and database credentials are written in a different file, which is dbconfig, and here we are using environment variables to extract the username and password and URL from OS, keeping our app secure. Then let's go through routes one by one. Our initial route is registration. So here there are three things: registration, login, and roll number. The slash roll number route is used for checking if the roll number is already present or not. It returns false and true on the basis of that. If the roll number is already present, then it will return false, and if not, then it returns true. The other is register. Here user registers for the app. So for registration and login, we have used passport module, which is a very popular module for this purpose, as it is good in performance, and it is very modular. For each, let's have a look at it. In passport, you can see there are three things: local sign up and local sign in, which are passport default method for sign in and sign up. So these are the default field provided by passport: username field and password field, which can be changed to roll number or password uh, if you want to. The default is email and password, sorry, username and password. And then user is our model, which is created using Mongoose. We are using Mongoose as our driver for database. So here you can see that we have a schema for every user, and we have to follow it. So it contains roll number, password, full name, email, mobile, mass, course, clubs, food, etc. And we are exporting it from here using module.exports. So we can assess it here in the passport.js. Like we are importing it using require, and here is the address for that file. So we will collect the all the user details will be in request, and then we can see if the it's valid or not. And if the roll number is already exists, it will return false, or if not, then it will register the user. Same goes for the login. If the password and username are correct, then only the user can log in or not. So we are here, we are passing the message no user found, oops, wrong password from here. We are using the package connect flash for keeping our message to the next up to the next request, so we can display these response to user. Our other important route is bus, where we provide all the information about bus timetable. Let's have a look at that. Let's first have a look at bus model. So here you can see bus model is date and the schedule data. So in this type x is a variable where we stores whether the bus is for weekends or weekdays, and timings contains all the timing for that day. And we have four fields: time, origin, destination, bus type. So let's have a look at routes. The first route is add, which can be only used by admin. So to add the bus details, so here we are adding all the bus details. We have used postman to add all the details about bus. Like here we have tried different method and all that. And slash all gives all the bus schedule. Let's have a look how, as our browser uh, makes a get request every time we type a URL. Let's type URL for our app: bus slash all. So here we can see it keeps all the data. Same is for the mesh. There's a different model, a different route, but some data. And we can also see structured data if we make a GET request from Postman on the same address as it's a GET request. So here you can see the mass data. Okay, so here are the items on that day, whether it's a dinner, snack, lunch, or breakfast, and the day are 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 for Monday. And if you will type a random URL, then it will display a message not found. And here our logo for the app. So, and same is the case for the course. Here we have all the collection of courses available, so user can select its course and then proceed to the app. For now we are having only these things. Our further aim is to add the option to add more mass items, or can change mass items through pit request. And then we will also add club details, and then we have to make an interface for club admins so they can also modify the details and all that. And we are using Git for our as our version control system. Everything has been uploaded to the Git, and you can have a look at it from here. So everything has been developed in parts, and so there is 14 commits. That's it for now.